We're going on a road trip.
Slay!
What are you taking with you?
I'm gonna surf if I was to get on top of this. I'm surfing.
It's 10 a.m. and Mum, you're late. We're ready.
She made us get ready early.
No work today, no summer school today. We're going to the beach. We're having a girly girl day. We're ready. We've got our bikinis on. We've got our bathing suits on. We've got our beach bags. And we're waiting for Mum to pick us up to go to Protaras. Yay! Margarita, just push the button. Just push the button.
It's talking.
Ναι, γεια σας. Μπορώ να έχω ένα ice latte σκέτον με αφρόγαλα και ένα ice caramel latte ελαφρύ. Mom, it's just a joke.
I'm stressed out now.
Jesus. Dora, you stop at the window and we pay. And you're going to pay for my coffee because you're my money. Where's your money? Yeah. I'm not the mummy today, I'm the daughter. Thank you. Remember.
Okay.
Thank you.
Is that it? €7.
What do you mean?
€7 for 2 coffees.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
And you want one of these? Wait.
Hey,
Hold it.
περιμένουμε μετά.
Κατά το καλά.
€7 for 2
Andrea.
coffees.
Yeah, we should
Well,
have
I left or right
we
when
should
the
have gone
bum
to Starbucks, right?
Are you guys having a fit?
Imagine us getting a Starbucks. It'll be €15 for 2 coffees. And wait. Look at that. Amma? You can't just have a normal coffee.
Mama, look.
Right, can I listen to my song and then you can do what you want?
Yeah. Ma, beso más cruel.
Sorry.
So we're 4 minutes away.
Is this it?
I don't know. Well, yeah, because Benny's pajama.
Ama pwede na nandun do parking doon.
Benny Sarah.
Serena said 8 hours are down there.
So what's down there?
Ela. Mama. Dito sa.
Gusto.
Hindi lang sila to Andi playboy.
Ito po eh. Na filmcine.
Yes, no, yes. You're always so lucky.
I know. because people won't come here and then, oh, there's no parking, but there is because everybody
We
thinks
found a
there's no
parking right there. Perfect.
Is that a shark? Is it a human?
Look at that. You ready? No, esisto.
Fancy. Feels so like.
Huh?
It feels so like
We're here to the beach. Whoa, wait, Andrea. Wait. Come on.
Let's settle down until we need to take people. Come back up.
Yeah,
like
it's for the
these stairs.
vlog.
I don't like the fact that there's like
Right, are we getting these ones? We getting these ones?
yes.
Mum? Sudah? Come on then. We're here. Right, so. Hello, Meskia.
Yes.
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 Oh, yeah. Mum?
I don't know how deep it is, Andrea.
We calm selves. They can swim.
First, you check.
Oh, my horse. Andrea! So we're at Serena Bay on a Tuesday at 11 o'clock,
What a lovely day off.
half an
Perfect.
hour from my house.
Absolutely perfect.
Kids and Mum is having a heart attack
Yeah.
because they're like there.
Andrea!
Mum, ha visto
Eni poro, può na pai makia.
Esta pa je
Ošťame.
Oh my god. Because face is face. Strict. So we were sitting on those ones, on those beds. They're Serena's beds. And we thought, oh, we're so lucky. We found some beds with towels. Oh my god, sit here. And what happened? We got kicked out because you have to have a reservation. So now we're like
We're
trash
on the floor.
on the floor. But that's okay.
It's alright.
And it doesn't get better than this. Well, it does on the beds, but that's okay.
Yeah, it's alright. We're fine. That's it.
No. No, thank you. Let it burn, let it burn.
Why do you do these things? Why do they make them complicated?
Because it's, look. The end. God, patience is 0. I want a drink.
Yeah. You have to go up there. I'm afraid.
lost my phone. There it is. So the time is 12:10, and we're chilling. I'm starting to get hungry. Mum is in the sea with the girls. Can you see them? They're right there. The sun is shining, beaming, and we're gonna go have lunch soon. Food, maybe some calamari with chips, a salad. Mom, we're gonna go explore with Andrea.
Speeder. Me and Daddy can come fishing here. There's a lot of fish.
Ήβραμε λαγοκέφαλο. Ew!
Is it a pufferfish? Is it
A lagokephalos. A pufferfish.
I told you there was pufferfish.
Ew, move it.
No!
It's dead. Right, let's go.
Told you there was pufferfishes. When I say there is one, there is. See?
Andrea, let's go down here.
No, yuck, feature. Ooh. There's fish.
So we're gonna go up to Serena Bay to get a drink.
No.
So let me turn around. Let me turn the camera around, and let's see what they have. Get our drinks. Thank you.
Oh, I'm gonna get one.
Guess what, Jemena, please. Got our drinks.
Look,
Right,
this is,
where's Yiayia?
This is your one. Because I want a different has more ice.
Okay. Look at Yiayia. Right there. Right there.
Right there. Can go to my face.
She can't see us.
No, she's right there.
Yes, girl. Trying to miss the girl. Trying to miss the girl. Siga, please. Make list
I hate these stairs.
They're cool, but they're scary. Oh, it burns.
Oh my, that burns.
That burns.
Oh my, that burns.
We're swimming in the sea, and we saw loads of pufferfishes, and Stacey screamed her head off. Why did you scream, Stace?
Because there was
She thinks she's going to be eaten alive by little pufferfish. They were only small, but they are scary. Andrea wanted to touch it. So that's the difference between the two. We're still here, enjoying the sea. Mum's gone up there. Oh my God. Stacey, doesn't the sand burn? What do you mean? Stacey, oh my God, that would freak me out. Stacey, look at me. Ew, Stacey, don't eat the sand. Oh my God. Stacey, where's the rest of you?
Do you want me to make you a mermaid?
Oh my God. Ew, Stacey, you got sand in your mouth. Come on, 3, 2, 1. Come on.
We're trapped.
Yeah. Right, let's see the menu. Από ό,τι κατάλαβα, θα σου αρέσουν τα παλιά. Right, so sushi, Andrea sushi, salades.
Είναι σαλάτες.
So έχει Greek salad, έχει beetroot salad, salad maybe, burrata salad, some cheesy and tomato, raw things, starters, fresh calamari, fresh fried calamari.
Δεν το ρίχνω το άλλο, το μακρύ.
Δεν πειράζει εμένα. Stacey's gonna have McDonald's when we leave.
Πιάμε το κάπτα μου και αν μπορεί να φάει ένα μου.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat it, yeah. You told me to eat everything. You told me to try. To be trying to
Yeah, but if you don't like the salmon, you're still going to eat it.
I know, that's what I've been saying.
This is 20 minutes from their house. Cyprus, like. So I ordered a calamari with fries. Mum ordered a club sandwich. Andrea ordered a salmon sushi for the first time. She's going to try it. And Stacey ordered toast because Stacey doesn't eat a lot of things. Yep, so she's having toast. And this is where we are. Andrea's going to try the salmon for the first time.
Fish eggs.
Fish eggs.
Yummy. 3, 2, 1.
A seafood person, Andrea.
So nice.
Right, calamari test. The chips.
Can I try with you?
Oh, you're not going
I'm gonna try one with you. Still gonna try one.
Cheers. 3, 2, 1.
Think she better.
I'll try. You had my calamari. But I don't like was awesome. Fried calamari done, chips are done, club sandwich is done. Thank you. I am stuffed.
No, I am not. Because I don't know why. But I ate my sushi with salmon, Mama's potatoes, Yiayia's club sandwich, and
More fries.
more fries.
This is the backdrop for the day.
For the view, for the view.
And Stacey, what did you have? A ham toast. She had a ham toasted.
Mama, what's
What?
this?
Yes, we are a bit weird like that, but that's okay. Ready to leave the beach. Packing up. Gonna pack up everything. Andrea, come on. What are you moaning about? Stacey, that was an evil look. Leaving Serena Beach. How's everyone feeling?
Dead. Tired now.
Jesus. Well, we're not done yet. We're going to go Protaras Street. We're going to get an ice cream. And what about if we find somewhere and you can buy another squishy?
No squishes.
Yeah, that's what you always say.
No squishes
That's what you-
today.
Yeah, but what if it's a summery Protaras one, like a shell one or something?
No.
You always say no, and then we end up with squishes. Exactly. So yeah.
Right, so I think we came.
No, I think you have to go that way. No, it's that way. No, it's that way. You're right.
I'm always right.
Actually, we're left. Bye, beach.
That was lovely.
We don't miss you.
I recommend it.
I do.
But the bad thing was,
It was like,
how can they not have a Coke?
A Coke.
Pepsi. I
Yeah.
hate Pepsi.
Mum is a Coke person, and they only had
Sitting
Pepsi.
there, lovely view, you're thirsty, a lovely cool old ice.
There were no chicken nuggets. To be fair.
And no chicken nuggets.
To be honest. And there were this little pufferfish. And yes, see, it's a sea. It's the home.
And apart from that, we paid €67
For a club sandwich.
a club sandwich.
A toast.
How?
A starter calamari.
Stacey. Oh, what squishy is this? The bag is this? This. Oh, we can't put it away. Why is the camera not focusing? If it's like this, or I take over. What is this? I want to see what this is. This is. I don't know.
Shopping. Ma, get your Coke.
Yeah.
Ooh, I found it a mini fan. Mama, feel the air.
Oh. Give me the air.
Oh,
Where are you?
Mama.
Wait, Stacey wants to buy everything.
One piece.
Andrea, let's give me the swords. Stacey wants
I
that.
would love this.
Like the difference.
Do you want it? Do you really want it?
What is it? How much is it though?
Doesn't matter. Do you want it?
Why would you want a sword?
No. It's a wooden sword that will like cool. And like I'm let's see. So you put it on your bag.
You can only get one. You can only get one. I like this one that says Cyprus.
But I also like this one. Look how
Can't plug the focus.
it's like
You can get one.
I want this one. This and this.
Go put this away then.
That's cute.
Mama, Stacey's a problem.
Wait, I'm gonna put this for you. Then what are these? Are these like
She doesn't even know what they are. They light up. That's cute. That is lovely, that.
Ma, you're enabling it.
Listen, my phone's still. I want one.
Ah, that's
Oh,
nice.
I want one of these for my bedroom.
Stacey, look, there's a unicorn
I want the bunny one. I want the bunny one. Yeah, I want the bunny one. So I want
thing. Stacey, no more. Σοβαρά τώρα. Έβγαινε sword. Θα βγει squishy. Ah, ωραία έτσι είναι. Secret, no, this one. Secret ingredient is always love and happiness. Cute.
Τούτο δάμε πρώτο και με τον Νοέλ.
I love my master chef.
I love my sword.
Like this one.
Εγώ ακόμα μικρό έτσι έπια και τώρα έχει τούτα να απογείρε πέσει.
Ew. What's the gun? Stacey. Stacey.
Ναι.
How'd you do it?
To break it.
Stacey. Anastasia. Anastasia, enter.
Τι θέλω να μου πεις.
Come on, girls.
What's my problem?
We've got a shopping problem.
What's that everyone's cute?
On the way up. We're going to go get an ice cream, but Stacey, because she's Stacey, doesn't like ice cream. She only likes ice lollies and ice pops. So she's going to get an ice cream from here, so we can go have a real ice cream from Paradise. Go feliz. Tienes Phoenix. Oh, bus. Which one? That one? Alright, let's go pay. Well, they've got her ice cream. And now let's go get a real one from Paradise. I'm gonna get a mint chocolate chip one with lemon, maybe a pistachio or berry, I don't know. Δε. Άντρια, να πιάσεις γιαουρτί. Μάμε, εσύ να φαείς. Ούτε παγωτό γιαουρτί. Μάλιστα. Έλα, Άντρια. Oh my god, what am I getting? That's Andrea's yogurt ice cream with forest fruits.
Forest.
The ice cream soup,
Thank you.
16 euros.
Now I'm going to open my dumpling. I want to do it with. If you always want to be on YouTube, right? To do a box of a squishy.
Can't believe I came to
Now you
Protaras
are.
to get
And
another
this is
squishy.
my camera. Wait.
So which one did you get?
Hey, eat that in the
Casey,
camera.
reveal. Reveal yours. Oh, wait, okay, yours is still.
Oh yeah.
Well, eat it first and then cook and analyze. What did you get? Show us. I got mint chip, pistachio and lemon.
Chocolate chip mint
Forest fruit yogurt.
yogurt.
You see?
Milk.
What they called? Magnum. A magnum.
Yeah, it's a magnum.
Who's never heard of that?
Master blue ice cream.
So that's what you got. But open it.
Oi, don't open it, it needs a reveal.
Ah.
She's a tape one.
We're
Oh,
gonna
wait,
have
really?
this day.
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Your hand is in the camera.
Oh, is this?
Right. Okay, Andrea.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, everybody close their eyes.
I think it's gonna be the blue one.
I think
Yeah,
it's
see?
gonna be
We've got to
the
close
pink
our
one.
eyes. So we've got to close our eyes.
I don't care about the golden one. I just want the pink one.
I think
Okay.
it's gonna be a blue one.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't care.
Well, just guess.
Whatever.
Okay, can everybody close their eyes?
Hello.
No.
Close your eyes.
What? No, it's tape.
I should
You
tape.
can see that. Wait, let's close this new crack.
Bro.
Ella, Ella.
No, don't chop it open.
Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. It's open.
Right. So we're closing our eyes.
Yeah, everybody close their eyes. And there.
You're going to count to 3.
Yeah,
One.
Mama.
Okay, let me.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, the green one. Oh, that's a nice one.
Can I see?
It doesn't matter if I get the green one.
That's really nice.
Yeah,
You happy?
wait.
I'm not in the camera.
This is
That's much better. Look, Ella.
Vieni nera. Adesso tocchi, ma prendi più quella.
Wait, I want to...
You see? Vedi quella.
Andrea, diciamo.
My bunny, my knife. Wait, bunny.
Show me its face.
I mean,
Quello tuo panino.
change color.
I like the bunny.
If when I go home, just go start charging. I like to be my own person.
Poi.
It's red, but you can.
Sorry.
Yeah, you can.
Sorry.
And this is off.
I like the purple color.
I like that. That's nice colour.